and I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways.
They say the early bird gets the worm, but it is 6 a.m. and I am very much hungry as well as freezing cold. So while cooking up these noodles, we're going to be doing some martial arts drills involving footwork. Footwork is one of those fundamentals you should definitely be focusing on if you're getting serious about your combative training. It doesn't require any crazy equipment, just tiles and your feet. Let's start with the in, and out, out. Simply stepping in one tile and back out with the same foot in a square pattern. Light on your feet, staying on your toes. The alley shuffle is another classic where you're simply switching your feet back and forth, staying again on the ball of your toes. Sparring footwork is also a great opportunity to use tiles as guides and gauging your distance, playing around with your steps, and really trying to be as accurate as possible. You can go as slow, taking it steady, trying cross steps, all that sort. And if you're advanced, don't forget to throw in some fakes and some interesting steps. The guides help you visualize the distance you're taking in terms of also how your body is aligned up, so that way you can be more conscious of how you're manipulating it and moving it during action. Backpedaling and forward sprints are classic, as well as working on your shuffles if you happen to have a long row of tiles available. The more you get used to throwing your body weight around along with your footwork, the better you'll be when needing to throw out techniques in awkward situations. So breakfast is ready, and that's it for this video.